you so much. First of all, I would congratulate you for this super hit program. Sadanira, and welcome to you all from my heart. Today is a very tough situation in front of me. How I communicate you in Hindi or in my grammatical mistake English. But I am trying to communicate you. My dear friends, today I am here in Tamil Nadu because of you. It's my first visit in Tamil Nadu, and thanks to you. So there is a very big relationship and big role of Tamil Nadu in my life. Nobody knows. Today I will tell you what's the role of Tamil Nadu in my life. Today you see a company about 1,000 crore turnover, and in this year we are trying to make 1,500 crore turnover. Today you see Sanjeev Kumar. My career is in direct selling totally 18 years. But nobody knows who makes Sanjeev Kumar. Nobody knows in this world who makes Sanjeev Kumar. Today I am telling you, Tamil Nadu makes Sanjeev Kumar. Because my guru of direct selling is from Tamil Nadu. His name is Jude Fernandez. He give me a vision. He make me. He tell me about life. I am a man of very small vision. But he teach me, he guide me. That is why I am here. What I am today, because of Tamil Nadu, it's real. And I never know if one day I will go to Tamil Nadu with this respect, regard. Thank you so much. You people know what you've done in the history of direct selling. Did you know? You make the record of direct selling in past 51 days. You break all record because none of the achiever in this direct selling era in 26 years, in only 51 days income, Mr. A. Rajan 25 lakhs and above in 51 days. You make the history, and I think day by day you will break all records of direct selling. Dear friends, today when I come to this hall and I see, first of all I congratulate to all of our achievers, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, emerald, topaz, and especially Mr. M. Rajan from Star Sapphire. But when I come to this hall and see your energy level and see your positivity, it's my great experience in my whole life. I cannot see that type of people in my life. I never see. Really, you people are amazing. Because you are the only people in this world whom you love. Any superstar you love, you make CM. You make Chief Minister. Filmy hero, filmy superstar to Chief Minister. Because you are the person of kind heart, honest, ethical. And whom you love, you will make anybody a star. If you I know what is a fan following. Tala Vijayapati, Vijay Talapati, and Rajnikant. You are a so lovable person, very ethical, very honest, very energetic. or especially your waves is so positive. I never been so much positive in my life. Today, my goosebumps. There are my goosebumps. I don't know why. But in the past 11 years, I'm trying to launch our company in South India. But I didn't launch. Why? You want to know? Because my background was from army. I'm a very disciplined and ethical person. Anybody knows in all over India in direct selling industry. I'm trying to find my right peoples to launch Asclepius Wellness. The peoples who are honest, just like me, who are faithful, energetic, hard worker, and especially visionary. When I met Mr. A.M. Rajan, KJ Sudhish, Bonzam sir, John sir, Sunil sir, I think 3 months ago, and when I see their vision, and especially their concern about their peoples, they told me, sir, we all are achievers. We have luxury cars, we have already earned a lot of income in our life in direct selling industry, and we had a great experience in direct selling industry. But we think the people who are working with us from last so much years, they are not earning. When I see their vision and they are thinking about their peoples, then I think I find the right people. And sir, these words are from my heart, not from my mouth. Okay. They come to me. They did not want anything from company. You know, today's scenario of direct selling industry, setting, batting. But they only want good service, quality product, payout system, education system. They want, sir, give us quality product, give us good services. We will make history in this South India. And after meeting them, I feel now is a time to South India. My dear friend, Southern peoples are very smart and very intelligent. All world knows. All world, everybody knows. And they are also so emotional. And they build very good relationship with each other also. You have some different energies. And when you love any company, any product, you will make always history. I know. But you have to know about real and ethical direct selling industry. What is ethical direct selling industry? What is direct selling industry? In the past 26 years, many of the companies doing direct selling industry with different model and different product. But I want to tell you about ethical direct selling industry. What is ethical direct selling industry? Why direct selling industry introduced in this world? For what and for why? The direct selling industry is not for the only payout, only earning. There are very special things behind this industry. In 1895, Avon company introduced direct selling model in all over the world. Avon company is a skin product company and also exists today, working in India also, right? Why? Because, and you know, direct selling model introduced for women only, not for men's. Because, why this model launched? Because when anybody wants to make a good, best quality product, he has to use best herbs and best raw material, right? And when he use best herbs and best raw material, the product cost will become higher, right? But in the traditional market, When you make any product to launch in traditional market, there are a competitive analysis. Which company introduce aloe vera in this which rate, non which rate, paste in which rate, and then you make the product. You did not make a quality product, you made a rate, price product, not a quality product. Because you have a fear. If you make a high quality product, no traditional shopkeeper entertain you. Why? He has a question, he oppose you. Sir, I am selling aloe vera in the rate of 300 rupees from 10 companies, and your aloe vera, you are saying that you sell this aloe vera 700 rupees because your costing is 300. I am sorry, sir, I cannot take your product. Right? So, what is the another way to introduce quality direct selling product? It's only the two ways. One way is to open your special franchisee, like Nike, like Reebok, like Louis Vuitton, like Gucci. Right? Otherwise, if you want to sell quality product, you have to accept a direct selling model. Another than nobody will sell your product in this all traditional market, no shopkeeper, because all products are competitive price product, not a quality product. You have experience, if you take 200 rupees shoes, it will damage in only 6 months. And if you take 2000 rupees shoes, it will damage after 3 or 4 years, right? Right or wrong? So direct selling model, not for earning money, not for earning car, achievement, luxury, multi money. No, money is the byproduct of product. If your product accepted in market, if your consumer is satisfied with your product, if your consumer get result with your product, money will come automatically. Apple is also earning, Apple phone is also earning, na? Yes or no? Samsung company is also earning, na? What they introduced? They did not introduce payout plan. They introduced product. So product is primary and payout plan is secondary. Right? If direct selling did not have quality product, you people always learn this. That means the company making fool to people. Any company. Introduce only payout plan. You will get, when you make this team, you will get this incentive. When you make this team, you will get that incentive. No, it is not a direct selling industry. Direct selling industry means good quality customer satisfaction product. Because if our customer satisfied, then we will earn automatically. Right or wrong? If customer take our product, repeat and repeat, if he give us order, repeat and repeat, you will get income automatically. So, in 1996, when direct selling introduced to India from one Indian company and one foreign company, right? This model accepted by very fast in India, this direct selling model. But some smart brain think, oh wow, what a model. And they know that India is a very emotional country and very relationship country. And they introduce no product, only payout plan. If you have experience, they purchase 100 rupees suit length, 100 rupees suit length, and they sell 100 rupees suit length in 6,000 rupees and give you money. Give you incentives, and they are saying it is a direct selling. Make your career. What? Make your career? To make fool to people and make your career? It is not a direct selling company. It is an investment plan behind the product. Product is only curtain. It's not a direct selling company. Direct selling company means if I make a product for 40 rupees, I have to sell 200 rupees, 250 rupees, 300 rupees. That's it. Multiplication of 5, 6, 7 times, that's it. Multiplication of 100 times. That is why perception of direct selling industries is negative in India. We have to convince very hard to people to do direct selling industry. Nobody wants to do direct selling industry. Even our youngsters did not want because they have a very bad experience in last 26 years. Why? Because of companies. They are running investment plan behind the shelter of product. But it is not a direct selling. Direct selling industry is real ethical. What is real ethical direct selling? You purchase my product, then you use my product, then you get result and experience, then you did not sell. You share the result and product will sell automatically. Your work is only to accept product at one time only. You have to convince customer only one time. After that, company product have quality. The customer purchase product time to time. For this, you have to expense. You have to establish your manufacturing units. You have own research and development team, R&D team. Because if you have a quality control department, if you have a quality assurance department, you have a R&D and you have a self-manufacturing, then you know what we are using, which hubs we are using, what product we are making, and how we are making, and how the product gives results to the market. My dear friend, networker is not in every home, but customer is in every home. If we satisfy customer, we make very big and ethical network. That is our vision. To satisfy customer, we did not want to satisfy networker. Networker will earn automatically if customer gets satisfaction from my paste, from my soap, from my diabetic product, from my ortho product, from my liver product, from my kidney product. That is why, in a very short period, in only 10 years, we make history. We are the first company in India to achieve 1,000 crore turnover in only 10 years. We are the first company. And now, my vision is to 10,000 crore turnover in next 10 years. It's my vision. But when I achieve my vision, if my product accepted by consumer, if my product will give result and satisfaction to consumer, then I achieve this vision. Otherwise, this is only number and this is only motivation. For this, I have to very concerned about our product quality. If you get any chance to visit Jaipur, you see what I make for this industry. I invest 500 crore rupees in manufacturing plants, 500 crore rupees. Why? Because my vision is so strong. I am not stop in India. I will win all world. All world. Because we have in India, we have the only country in world which have ancient herbs, herbal products, Ayurvedic products in all over world. If we want to do business, only the primary product the world will accept our herbs, our Ayurvedic product, and it's my promise that I will launch this company any part of this world, every part of this world. It's my promise. So, my dear friend, in past 26 years, you all have some experience of direct selling, yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So please tell me, which company turnover is 5,000 crore Indian company? Why? Why? In 26 years, Indian companies will achieve only 1,800 crore turnover. In 26 years. What happens? And why are they not achieving a big figure? Why? Because they have not that type of product. Every consumer satisfied. And every consumer purchase. But foreign companies, really, truth is truth. Foreign companies, research and development is very strong. They focus on quality product. They do not focus on plan and payout and this and this. They only focus on quality product. Do you know some companies turnover, foreign companies turnover in all over the world, 70,000 crore. 70,000 crore. That's selling companies. Some companies 50,000 crore. Some companies 45,000 crores. How that is possible? And how that is not possible in Indian companies? Because Indian companies does not want to make product. They did not want to give quality product to people. They only introduce plan, payout plan. You get this and you get. But foreign companies, they concern about quality. They have a very big concern about quality. If we make a best quality product, then customer satisfied, then their turnover become 70,000 crore. I promise you, we are the only company in future in this world who break the record of foreign companies. I promise you. Because of our production. Right? So, if you want to know about AWPF, you only go to YouTube, Google, you all are qualified persons, you all are user of internet, and see what we serve society from last 11 years. What we serve for society. How many people are crorepati? How many people achieve luxury cars? That is not a major achievement for me. My major achievement, how many people get liver result? How many people get ortho result? How many people get kidney result? How many people get heart result? This is my major concern. How many women get infertility results? How many men get infertility results? It's my major concern. And it's my future because I know consumer gives me money. How much money I want, he will give me. So, what quality he wants? Why I did not give him? Why? It is a business, na? I am taking money with product. Not this product is 210 rupees my taste. Customer is giving me, yes, sir, okay, take 210 rupees for your pay. So I have the ability to give him quality because he is giving me money which I want. So I have to give him quality which he wants, that is business. Right? Are you understanding? Today, in North India, only North India, Central India or East India, our turnover is 1,000 crore. Because of our quality product, not for achievement, luxury cars, and that's something. Okay, this is the secondary. These all things are secondary. Product consumption, our product consumption is so high. Everybody, and I promise to all of you, in the future, every home use AWPF product is my promise to you. I am doing work for this, and I am so much concerned to take every Indian home use at least one product of SDPS wellness, one product of it. So that's we are doing. We are some different nature of doing business. We have no interest to making fools to people. We are very transparent. If you want anything for company, if you want to know about anything from company, Sir Bhatta, you comes to me and everything I will show you. Everything. Because you are my people, you are Indians, you are not Pakistanis. If I want to make fool, I will make fool Pakistanis, but not Indians, because I am from this land only. I am from India only. My dear friend, business, money is a tool to express your emotions. It's not everything, right? Money is a tool to express your emotions. It's not everything. People does not need money, does not bring money, right? He purchases his lifestyle products from money, his needs from money, right? So money is not everything. Humanity is everything. Humanity. If you have humanity, money will come automatically to you. God bless you. Right? Now, what is the power of direct selling industry? Why we do direct selling industry? Why we accept direct selling model? Because, my dear friend, in this world, there are so many opportunities to get fame, big name, and big money also. But everybody does not have these type of qualities. Because success have some parameters to give you opportunity of earning money, name and fame. Why I am always saying that direct selling is the only model in this world. Only model in this world for everybody. For women, for men, for age, for youngster, for girl, for boy, everybody make his career in direct selling industry. Everybody. But in another profession, everybody does not make his career. Everybody is not an engineer. Everybody not become scientist. Everybody not become IS. Everybody not become IPS. I'm right? I'm right or no? So what success wants? Success said, if you want to grab me, success said, if you want to grab me, there are 3 parameters. If you are so much qualified, so much degree holder, success will come to you in a form of IS officer, IPS officer, scientist, doctor, engineer. It's a first parameter. Second parameter, if you have some inbuilt talent, you are a very good singer, dancer, boxer, cricketer, actor, success comes to you. Success comes to you. I'm not saying direct selling is the model to give you success. No. There are lot of platforms. If you are capable to do that platform, if you have capacity, then you get success from many of the platforms. Direct selling is not only a model, but these are the second parameter. And third parameter is that, my dear friend, if you have a lot of money. If you have a lot of money, you manufacture any hospital, you make any hospital, you make any hotel, you make any mall, and get very good handsome income. Am I right or wrong? But if you did not have bigger, higher studies, if you did not have any inbuilt talent, singer, doctor, singer, actor, boxer, if you did not have money, there is no any path in this world to get success except direct selling. Don't miss this chance. Let's try yourself. And don't worry. My age is now more than 30 years, 40 years. My time is gone now. I didn't studies. I did not have money, I did not have talent. Nobody. Because this is the only platform. This is the only platform. Who did not want any qualification, any investment, any talent. He wants only your vision, brains, hard work. That's it. That is why anybody comes with any qualification, any background, he becomes Karodapati and Arapati in this industry only. Only this industry. Only this industry, women, men, old men, youngster, all are earning. That means this model is a simple model. If this model is a hard model, that means only somebody can success, right? If everybody gets success, that is called, this is a simple model. My dear friend, life gives us chance. Everybody got chance in this world to get success. And I think direct selling is the super chance to get success. And money, vision is that I don't want to make you crorepati. That is crore rupees. Nothing is crore rupees. You cannot buy our shop. You cannot buy a 2 BHK flat in 1 crore in Chennai. Right? Right or wrong? That is why I make the payout plan to give at least 100 to 200 crore rupees to you people. SEBS Wellness. When I introduced SEBS Wellness 2014, then I said, I am not here to make croropatis. I am here to make arapatis. Now my dream is come true. After 1 or 2 years, our company, 3 leader, will earn in a 3 year at least 100 crore rupees. And it will be the first time in Indian direct selling industry. Leaders earn 100 crore rupees. Nobody think, but SEBS think. Yes. Right? So, my dear friend, Rajan sir, really, you do an amazing job, my dear friend. Sunil sir, really, because I never think that they will take a record break achievement in March 21. That is why I come here to see you. What people you are here? But it's my promise. I will give best service to all South India. What you want from me, I will give. What you want from me, I will give you. You want CF, now I am opening. Because of you only, I am opening in a month a big warehouse of company in Bangalore to get faster service to you. Right? And it's my promise. I did know in my past, if you are educated people, search me on YouTube and Insta, and you know about me. I cannot compromise in my life. I cannot compromise in my life. If I give word to people, any word to people, I always deliver that. I always deliver. At any cost. So don't worry. Company vision is to run at least 1,000 years, not for 10 or 20 years. Because it's a business generation to generation. Right? Because we are making network. When we die, our son drive our network. That is real ethical direct selling company. And that is why we are not in so hurry. We are not in so hurry. Unethical practice, go to this state and this state. No, we are not so hurry. We want a good people, disciplined people, ethical people, honest people, and the people sitting in front of me. So my dear friend, once again, congratulations to you, all rank achievers, and welcome to AWPL family. I promise to you, I will deliver best products and best services to you. It's my promise. Thank you so much. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Thank you.